So hello and welcome to Rev Sports. Today is the match day. Kolkata Knight Riders versus last year's runners-up Punjab Kings under Shreyas Iyer are here at the Eden Gardens for a very important game. Punjab Kings are unbeaten in this tournament, whereas Kolkata Knight Riders are seeking for their first win in this IPL 2026. Before the match, there's a bit of weather around in Kolkata, so we'll give you what's expected this evening when it comes to rain gods or cloud cover, whether it will be overcast or not. Devashishda, what's the update? It has been raining in Kolkata for the last couple of days, but what's the update today?
But so far there has not been any rain, but hopefully we are going to get some rains around 6 p.m.
Okay.
But let us just break up as to what is the rules. Means obviously the umpires can wait for at least an hour for the match to start, so as to constitute a 20 over a side match. After 8:30 p.m. the overs gets reduced. So that's the first thing. And if suppose there's a 14 over a side match, then the strategic time, there won't be any strategic timeout.
Right.
And for a 5 over a side match, it means the umpires can wait till 10:41 for the toss to happen, and obviously the match will start at 10:56. So 10:56 p.m. is the cutoff time for a match to be constituted, for five overs a side a match.
10:41 is the final time for the toss. After that, if the weather is bad, then the match will be called off. 10:56 is the final cutoff time for the first ball to be bowled. 11:50 is the time when the match will get over. Whereas if the match gets reduced to below 14 overs a side, then there will be no strategic time out whatsoever for both the teams. But the weather so far today has been good. It has been bright and sunny. It's a bit humid also. But after the 6 p.m. mark, the weather, the forecast of rain has increased to 35% to 40%, and it is there till midnight. So that is a worry for all the fans who are coming to the stadium, and of course for Kolkata Knight Riders also, who are looking for their first win. For Punjab Kings, they would want to play against this Kolkata Knight Riders, who are perhaps a bit down on confidence, a bit down on form. Of course, coming here under Shreyas Iyer will get a bit of support from the Eden Gardens crowd for what he did with KKR during his captainship here at the Eden Gardens. But Devashishda, expecting a bit of support for Shreyas Iyer?
I don't think so, Shubhain. If you ask me, obviously he has a love-hate relationship with KKR. Means obviously winning that, and that KKR did not retain him as well. So, but yes, last time round the two teams played. Rain played a spoil sport. It was a washout. Punjab Kings batted first and scored 201 runs. I think I am pretty much hopeful, Shubhain. If you ask me, see, no rains whatsoever.
No cloud
So
cover
far,
as
no
well.
cloud cover as well. But yes, let's see. Let's wait and watch till 6 p.m. where the forecast is for some SARS. But as far as the arrangement is concerned, with regard to CAB, the entire ground will be covered, and also there will be at least 100 ground staff who will be deployed so as to remove the covers and get it in place. There will be 4 super stopper as well. So, but I think we will see a full match.
Devashishda is confident that he will see a full match, but hopefully the rain gods will stay away. Last time also there was a bit of forecast around, but we got a full game last time here at the Eden Gardens. Kolkata Knight Riders lost, that's a different story. But rain gods have been kind enough when it comes to the match day today. But let's keep our fingers crossed and wait till the evening before the toss time as to how the weather holds up here at the Eden Gardens in Kolkata. Stay tuned to Rev Sports for all the updates. Like, share and subscribe. We'll give you minute to minute update when it comes to this particular game here from the Eden Gardens. Thank you so much for watching.